Video games with Stubbs. And Guerilla. Special guest, Guerilla. Then if you do real levels, or you want to keep going?
Let's make it fun. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's your level too.
It's not my level. Oh man, you fucking kidding me? No, it's not. Terrible level for fucking Reddit.
Yeah, but it's his level.
Oh,
His game.
Technicalities. It doesn't mean he's fucking good enough. Fuck.
That's true. I'm actually.
Because you got the fucking double platform.
What you talking about?
Fucking Reddit shows up and is like, oh, it's not straight. Well, I'm fucked.
Yeah.
GG, well played, son.
Headshot.
God damn it.
Oh, nice.
God damn it. Why did I just let that happen? Like, I literally just let it. God damn it! Are you really gonna be that guy?
No.
You're definitely gonna be that guy. Oh shoot! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make my dick hard. Yeah. Can we say dick on national television? Yes, yes we can. Wait, what happened? Oh, AP, that's what happened. Gotcha. Just wait till it turns to monkeys. Because that's the fun part. God damn it, fuck your bombs, man. Because it's a chain effect. That's what bugs me about it. It's like you can't get rid of one in particular. It just deal with all of them.
I totally get that. What the fuck?
Not coming right back.
Fuck the rabbit. Do you know that those brackets give me the most? Brackets give me the most.
I'm not even surprised. Like, everything in Ratchet's arsenal is fucking retarded. Reason being, and this is legitimate reason why Ratchet is the best fucking character in the game. I don't give a fuck what Cat can do, even though technically she's the best one in the game. Ratchet stops everything. He has all of the interference. All of it. Every single fucking drop of it. Now, it doesn't mean that Ratchet can't be beat, but let's look at it from this case. I got nothing. Anyways. Fucking, the reason why Ratchet is so OP and stupid is, for one, his grab. His grab was one of the original. A lot of people can dodge out of it now because they were just like, you know what, fuck this guy. We're gonna learn how to fight this guy. Because if we don't, he's gonna rise to power, like Hitler. So, but another reason why don't you show your fucking sniper and how you can just stay in the air for as long as you fucking want. What the fuck? I dodged that shit! Oh shit. Oh, I'm fine. Every single one of his moves has priority to everything else in the fucking game. God fucking damn it. Everything. I don't care if you're Dante, if you're Reddick, it doesn't matter. You know why? Ratchet's the reason why they're curb stopped. Or fucking Jack and... or fucking... no. God, what am I doing? Ratchet. Ratchet is the reason why they're not a thing anymore. Swear to God. God damn it. Oh, shit. What happened?
Check us out!
I know, I thought so too. I thought they did. Oh, I had to go the other way. But there is a reason why fucking Ratchet is just stupid broken. That, and look it, you can quick snipe that shit. You know 360 no scope? Yeah, MLG. Hold on for a second. Fuck you. God damn. There's one move I despise most of all. It's that fucking grab. God. Fucking damn it. I don't care if you can dodge it nowadays, technically. I don't care if it's easy to dodge and you can punish him if he doesn't fucking do it, because I've done it before. But when it happens, when it fucking happens, he can level 1 confirm. Oh, I'm about to say, what happened? Oh god, I thought I lost it.
Bombs hit. Oh, what the hell happened to me? This is odd. Man, that was close actually. You're doing your last fucking shot.
Yeah, you see those fucking razors that he's doing right now? That's what stopped your combos. Next to the fucking dynamite that he's putting down, that's what stops him. It stops all your combos because fuck you, Ratchet said so. And when you lose AP to this shit, you lose pretty much all of it. You lose at least 1 meter. Just about a meter. Which is huge in this game, because guess what this game is based off? That fucking meter.
Oh, dang.
So, now that I've ranted on about fucking Ratchet and why he's OP and why he's the best one in the game, because fuck you, Cat. Because Cat is really, like, the one... Cat has one thing that's broken about her. And I don't know if you realize it. Do you know what the one thing it is that Cat has? Exactly. The gravity orb. Fuck that shit. The only reason why she's in her own tier. Yeah. God damn it. Fuck you. You're a fucking douche. I swear to God, if I would have spawned it just this one time, like,
Yeah. Not bad.
what? Thank you.
No, you're.
So, as you can see, he has priority over everything. Because fuck you, that's why.
Oh, damn, you feel bad.
I was trying, but it don't matter. All the reasons why Ratchet is broken, thank you.